So here we have this VEVOR diamond core drilling machine. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. And here's everything that came in the package. There's quite a few parts here. I'm gonna put it together and then I'll show you how to use it and then we'll test it out. And there we go, it's all put together. That wasn't too difficult. It comes with a pack of replacement carbon brushes, this handle that screws into here so you can use it without the press mount, and a wrench to take off the bit, but you will still have to use a crescent wrench because it only comes with one of these. Anyway, now let's take a closer look at the drill. It has an 8-foot cord with a GFCI switch. The whole drill assembly is built really solid. This base is cast iron and has 4 mounting bolts. It also has this handle to keep it steady while drilling, and it's also useful for carrying it around. There's this nice big lever you use to move it up and down, as well as this knob to lock it in place. The drill itself is mounted to the press with a sturdy metal bracket and 2 bolts. Of course, it is removable, so you can use it without the stand. Then, of course, there's this spot to screw in the handle, along with a shoulder brace to make it even easier to do that. There's a 1/4-inch water hose connector on this side with an on-off lever. Then a nice comfortable plastic and silicone handle with a trigger to make it work, along with this lock button on the side to keep it on. Now, this thing seems to be built really well, so let's go ahead and test it out. This is just going to be a quick test on this scrap piece of concrete, so I'm not going to bother mounting it down. And since it didn't come with a hose and I don't have the right size, I just pointed the water hose at the drill bit. The drill does have a clutch, but I don't think it activated while I was drilling. Now, when you do this, I definitely recommend bolting it down, or at least have a second person help you so one person can hold the drill still while the other one lowers it. Alright, and once you're done drilling the hole, you can take that bit off and get the chunk of concrete out. I find it easiest to take a metal rod and jam it through the back. Anyway, the drill worked pretty well. It's pretty sturdy. I also like how it has a clutch, but there are a couple things that it's missing. And the first of those is a switch to change the speed, because the speed with this gun is really fast and that wears out the bit faster. The other thing is just a hose with a decent connector on it so I could easily attach it to a garden hose. Other than missing those things though, the drill worked pretty well.